So you may have an iPhone in your pocket right now, and you're probably very familiar with Siri and asking Siri for help, asking Siri for directions, asking Siri for the best restaurant near you. Did you know that Apple has actually released a Siri toolkit for developers? Now we can develop and integrate right into Siri. Now what does that mean? If you have an app or if you're building a native app for the iPhone, that means that we can now build skills right into Siri so that somebody can literally pick out their phone, ask Siri, and it will open your app or get information out of your app. This allows you to deep link inside of your app and connect those links to commands in Siri. So whatever it is your app does, is there a way that a user could use Siri to activate your app? And now with this Siri Kit, developers have the opportunity to do that. It's moved Siri out of just the basic functions of the phone and some of the biggest app players in the market to broadening it and democratizing it for everybody. So I'm really excited about it. I'm interested to see how you might use this. If you have an idea of how you're going to use the Siri Kit, please leave it in the comments or an example of how you used it. Love to see some examples of how marketers are taking advantage of this right now.